Are you suffering from a toothache and looking for instant relief? We've all been there. The relentless throbbing that can turn the simplest tasks into a painful ordeal. Toothaches can throw a wrench into your day, making it difficult to eat your favorite meal, get a good night's sleep, or even concentrate on your work. Now you could reach for over-the-counter treatments which can be effective, but what if you could find relief right in your pantry? Yes, home remedies for toothaches have been around for centuries, and they can offer a quick, natural, and cost-effective solution to your pain, from the humble saltwater rinse to the potent properties of garlic. These remedies are easily accessible and can provide that much-needed relief. So are you ready to conquer your toothache with some do-it-yourself remedies? Let's explore some easy and effective home remedies that can provide instant relief from your toothache. Now let's dive into 6 home remedies that you can try for instant toothache relief. First up is the saltwater rinse. This simple yet effective method involves dissolving 1 teaspoon of salt in a cup of warm water. Swish the solution around your mouth for about 30 seconds and then spit it out. The salt water helps to reduce inflammation and pain, providing instant relief. Next, we have the cold compress. This remedy is as straightforward as it sounds. Wrap a bag of ice in a towel and apply it to the cheek over the aching tooth. The cold helps numb the area, reducing pain and inflammation. Our third remedy is peppermint tea. Peppermint is rich in menthol, which soothes and numbs the pain. Sip on a warm cup of peppermint tea and let it work its magic. Plus, it has antibacterial properties to boot. Fourth on our list is hydrogen peroxide. A 3% solution mixed with equal parts water serves as a great mouthwash. It not only kills bacteria but also helps reduce inflammation and pain. Just ensure you rinse your mouth thoroughly with plain water afterward. Fifth, these little spice gems are known for their pain-relieving and antibacterial properties. You can use them whole or grind them into a paste and apply it to the affected area. Either way, cloves are a powerhouse remedy for toothaches. And finally, we have garlic. The allicin content in garlic has antibacterial and pain-relieving properties. Crush a clove of garlic. Apply the paste to the aching tooth and let it do its job. Garlic is not just for keeping vampires at bay, after all. Remember, these remedies may provide temporary relief, but they are not a substitute for professional dental care. Persistent toothaches that last for more than a few days, or those accompanied by symptoms like fever, call for a visit to the dentist. Don't take your dental health lightly. After all, your smile is one of the first things people notice about you. While these home remedies can provide fast relief, it's important to keep in mind that they are quick fixes that can alleviate the pain, momentarily buying you some time until you can see a professional. The saltwater rinse, cold compress, peppermint tea, hydrogen peroxide, cloves, and garlic. All these remedies can offer immediate short-lived relief. They help manage the pain and reduce inflammation, making it more bearable for a short while. But remember, they are not long-term solutions if the toothache persists for more than a couple of days. It's a signal that something more serious might be happening. A persistent toothache could indicate a deeper problem that needs professional attention. Moreover, if your toothache is accompanied by other symptoms like fever, it's a clear sign that you need to see a dentist. Don't ignore persistent tooth pain. If your toothache lasts for more than a few days, make sure to consult with a dentist. We hope these home remedies provide some relief to your toothache. These remedies are easy to try using ingredients you likely already have in your household, whether it's a saltwater rinse or a cold compress. These remedies can offer a quick temporary solution to ease your discomfort, but remember, your feedback matters. If you've tried any of these remedies, or if you have other effective solutions to share, why not drop a comment below? Your experiences can provide valuable insights and help others who are dealing with toothaches. Remember, though, these remedies can provide an immediate relief. They're not a permanent solution. If your toothache persists for more than a few days, or if it's accompanied by other symptoms like fever, it's important to consult a dentist. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Stay healthy.